Summer's creeping in fast here in Mexico, so today's all about staying cool with hydrating, chill-friendly meals, and of course, delicious treats. Let's dive into what I eat in a day to stay energized and refreshed. When the heat rolls in, I like to focus on meals that feel light, satisfying, and super hydrating. And everything today has a few of my go-tos I'm loving lately. Jimmy woke up craving granola, so I whipped up a fresh batch. I like to keep it simple: rolled oats, chopped nuts, shredded coconut, maple, and some spices. Then I bake it up until golden crisp. Instead of just having the granola with milk, I'm going to jazz it up a bit. I always have tons of mangoes on hand because it's one of my favorite fruits. I love it because it's so sweet, refreshing, and of course, it's loaded with vitamin C. I'm making the parfait because I found this yogurt at La Comer this week. I was so excited because it's actually plant-based and packed with probiotics that are good for your gut health. This parfait is bright, fresh, and filling without feeling heavy. Perfect for a warm day. This morning, Jimmy and I both went for my strawberry matcha latte. It's chilled, creamy, and has just the right kick to get us going. We're having this to give us a little energy boost before we head out for the day. If you want the full recipe, it's in my free Summer Drinks ebook on my website, along with other cool sips that are perfect for days like this. For lunch, Jimmy and I visited our favorite vegan spot, Abiti. We ordered their popular giant falafel wrap packed with falafels, fresh veggies, tabbouleh, hummus, stuffed grape leaves, and a mouth-watering sauce. And of course, lunch would not be complete without their refreshing Jamaica tea to wash it all down. After lunch, we stopped by a few thrift stores to hunt for a dress for Mother's Day next week. I love thrifting in this town. It's full of character and charm. We're both feeling stuffed after lunch, so I'm just going to make a nice light quinoa salad. This salad is one of my favorites from my 14-day plant-based detox challenge. If you haven't joined the challenge yet, it's such a great way to reset your body with clean, vibrant food. One thing I do like to do is save the stems and small pieces of veggies. I put them in a bag in the freezer so that I can use it later on for a soup. It actually gives the soup lots of flavor and nutrients, so try not to throw away all your little veggie pieces because they come in handy. This quinoa salad is one of the staples, and it's loaded with cucumbers, herbs, chickpeas, and a citrusy dressing. I really did have so much fun today thrifting. I absolutely love finding treasures in thrift stores. And I notice out here they don't have like big retail stores because this is a small town in Mexico. And most of the stores like that are outside of this town. But it is so much fun to be able to walk around and stop at different thrift stores. And I did find a few things which I'm going to share with you on our Mother's Day episode. So be looking out for that. And that's next week. You know, living in America, if you don't have a car, it's almost like you kind of get shamed. But living out here in Mexico, it is so natural. You know, so many people don't own a car out here. And when you look around, you see people walking their children to school. They shop and walk to shop. It's just normal. It's a part of the culture. So, and it's really a beautiful thing. I realized that it's really given me more of a healthier outlook, and I actually feel stronger. I burn a lot of calories, but walking up those hills and whew, it really helps you burn those calf muscles, let me tell you, okay? So while we're out for lunch today, we didn't get a chance to stop and grab any dessert. We were just running around so much. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make some cinnamon roll cookies. Now these cookies I made in Puerto Vallarta and I shared them with my neighbors and they absolutely love them. It's a recipe I know you're gonna enjoy, and the recipe is sitting on the website right now, and I'll leave you a link in the description so you can try it out. It's the end of the day, and I'm winding down in the sweetest way, baking up a batch of these cinnamon roll cookies. These are crunchy and packed with a buttery cinnamon swirl. Basically, everything you love about a cinnamon roll, but in a cute little cookie. And honestly, they're the perfect way to wind down. Jim and I are finishing off the night with a game of Mexican Train and of course a plate of those cute little cookies. This is one of my favorite parts of the day, just slowing down, laughing, and enjoying something sweet together. Thanks so much for spending the day with us. I hope you had as much fun as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my cookbooks for more plant-based goodness. Sending you all so much love. See you on the next video. Bye for now.